Hi, today let's make tasty coconut prawns fry. First you need to clean and wash the prawns, deveined, and then marinate it with some salt, turmeric powder, cumin powder, chili powder, coriander powder and pepper powder. Marinate it really very well and keep it aside. This recipe just takes 6 to 7 minutes to be done, but yet so delicious. Sometimes simple flavors brings out great taste in the dishes. Now next heat a pan, add in oil. Once the oil has been heated, add in the prawns and then add in some curry leaves. Curry leaves enhances the taste of this prawns fry. Now give it a good toss. The prawn starts cooking. It just takes 3 to 4 minutes for the prawns to cook. Once you see the oil bubbling up like this, next what you do is add in the shredded coconut and give it a good mix. See to that and each and every prawn is coated with the coconut, and then add in some chopped onions. Give it a good mix and then garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. That's it. Your tasty coconut prawn fry is ready to serve. You can have it with rice, rasam, dosa, neer dosa, appam, anything of your choice. The measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I would suggest you to try this coconut prawn fry. Enjoy.